Yo, hey all, welcome to my channel. My name's Larry G Barbecue Guy, and on today's video I'm going to be comparing the cook between Ninja Woodfire XL and Kamado Grill, which I have here. So I'll be cooking this rack of ribs. I'm going to split them in half because I only got one pair, so let's prep them and see how we're going to perform the cooks. First things first, let's start the grills up. Starting Kamado Grill, I've already preloaded the charcoal, put the fire lighter in, give this 10 minutes, that will be ready. On the Ninja Grill, I'm going to give a little bit of a time because I want to wait for my Kamado. Obviously, Kamado is going to take a bit longer to heat up. So Ninja will start just after I prep these ribs. So right, while my Kamado Grill's getting to the temperatures and getting heated up, I'm going to prep these ribs. Get rid of this. I'm not going to trim anything. I'm not going to take any of the silver skin off. I'm just going to score it. Just like that. I'm going to go traditional mustard binder. For the back side, I'm going to be using this Pork Mafia Memphis mud. Do the same on the front side. On the front, I'm going to be using Ninja Rub, the one they provided, if you remember. Nice thick rib, so don't be shy on the rub. Pat it down. Do the sides as well. You wonder why I've only got one rack of ribs, because I only got one rack of ribs. So I'll cut this right about in the middle. Find the bone. I would say about here. Yeah, happy with that. Let's apply the rub. So there you go. We've got somewhat two equal pieces. One's going to be on a Ninja Grill. The other one's going to be on a Kamado Grill. Fire's going at the moment. So what we want to do, put the deflectors in, get the grill to the temps, and then we're going to add some chunks in there for the smoke flavour. Now let's go to the Ninja. So right, the Ninja is basically press the button on, then we're going to choose a smoker. On the Ninja, I'm going to go about 100 degrees for smoker. The hours I'm not going to be bothered to set up, I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then press that button. So what I'm doing now is basically only preheating, so I'm going to add the wood flavour just a little bit later. So for the wood, I'm just using the provided one. So that's going to be the first initial smoke. Let's see if that's going to be enough. So for the both grills, I'm aiming for about 100 to 110 degrees on smoking. So let's wait for these to heat up, and then basically we're going to add the smoke flavors and add the meat to it. So right, my Kamado Grill is about 100 degrees right now, so I'm going to be adding some wood flavor. And I'm going to dial that in because we don't want to be overshooting the temperatures. Put inside the pot rack, and then I'm going to use a drip tray and add the grills, preheat the grills as well. Let the smoke settle in. Give it 10-15 minutes, that should be ready to smoke. So the Ninja is literally just preheated. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the wood flavour, and then we're going to fire the wood flavour up. Just like that. That's it. And then you press the wood fire flavor, that will ignite again, give it about 10 minutes or so. And what we don't want is basically that first smoke flavor going onto your meat, because it's just not going to be nice. Same with the Kamado Grill. The first few chunks that you actually put in is going to produce you too much smoke, so you need to wait a little bit to reduce down to go to the clean smoke. So Ninja's there igniting the pellets. Let's have a look at the pellets now. Started to smoke, so let's give it 10 minutes, and we're going to put the meats on both of those grills. So as you guys know, I do love my Kamado grilling, cooking, smoking, basically whatever. So I'm just giving a shot to the Ninja Woodfire. Going to compare them, see the smoke flavors, the tenderness of thing we can get both of the same ones. So yeah, just comparing the cook. If you enjoyed this video, drop a subscribe. So the Ninja's actually started to smoke quite a lot, but as I said earlier, you don't want to be putting the meat right in because this is just going to be a dirty smoke. Same with the bonhams, but that's clearing up. So what we can do is just ventilate a little bit. So there you go, Ninja is actually producing quite a nice clean smoke at the moment, so ready to put the meats on. Nice clean smoke. So let's put the meats on. I'm going to put the meats on Kamado Grill first. We say meat, is a little bit of a rib there. So place it right in the middle, close it. So with the Ninja Grill, I'm actually going to go with a raised rack because for some reason I feel it's going to be a better that experience if you raise your meat away from the actual grill. So shut it off and give it a smoke. So there you go, both of the grills now up and running with the ribs inside. So it's just a waiting time now to see which one's going to perform better on smoke profile flavors. Mainly that's the one I'm looking for. Just stick around, wait around, see you in a bit. So right, it's been about 40 minutes nearly. Let's have a look at the temperatures. So the rib and the Ninja's doing 58 degrees at the moment. Outside bark forming up, drying out as well. The smoke is still going. Now let's have a look at the Kamado rib. Internal temperature is just about 59 degrees now, so it's about similar. Same nice bark forming up, not drying out as much as Ninja. So the temperatures on Ninja is 100 degrees at the moment, and Kamado Grill is about 115, sort of there. So right, the ribs and Ninja been about an hour and a half. Not looking too bad. So I'm gonna get them wrapped up in a minute. They're ready to wrap. Let's have a look at the Kamado ribs are getting there as well. We are now at, these obviously a lot slower. We're at 61 degrees at the moment, so these are got slightly a bit more to go. So yeah, comparison time cooking. Ninja's cooking a lot quicker at 100 degrees, and then Kamado cooking slightly slower. So yeah, let's wrap these up. So right, wrapping the ribs on the Ninja. I'm just going very simple. A little bit of honey and some barbecue sauce. That's the ribs. And upside down. As I just said, I'm going very simple. There we go. The Ninja ribs are in. Let's put them back on. I'm actually going to raise the temperatures on it now, so we're going to go for 120 till it goes tender. Let's have a look at the yeah, the little firebox is actually all burned out. I did top up slightly. Right, so it's time to wrap the ribs from the Kamado as earlier. I'm using a little bit of honey, some classic barbecue sauce. Don't you run away, just for now. That's a little bit of rack of ribs. Slightly different colour than the Ninja. Take the bits that we don't want. Right, so just place the ribs back on. Sorry guys, the battery died midway wrapping it, so go back down. Same temperatures. This one's going as well. So yeah, let's wait for them to be cooked. Right, so the ribs, they actually finished cooking at the same time. So this is a ribeye from Kamado. This is how we're looking. So what we're going to do, we're going to glaze them now, put them back in for 10 minutes. So let's take the ribs out from the Ninja. Which is rib B. As you can see, the colour is totally different. The bones are falling out. That's the colour. It's a lot darker. Way darker than Kamado one. Right, as you can see, this one here, ribeye, is from Kamado, and this one there is from Ninja. So let's give them a glaze. The colour is totally different. I'm going to put same amount, same barbecue sauce. There we go. So I'm going to put them back in. Let's come with me. I'm not sure. It might be. There you go. I hope you can see the difference in the colour. Yeah. So the left one is Kamado, right one is a Ninja one. So let's put them back in. There we go. That one back in. Now give it 10 minutes. And then we're going to do the same on this one. This one, 10 minutes to glaze up. Right, so let's take the ribs out. So rib A is a Kamado rib. So this is a full one colour. Same rubs, same method, same sauce. So let's take a look at the Ninja rib B, which is, this is a rib B. Totally different colour, a lot darker, both tender. Right, so the main thing is now, let's take a look inside. Did we get any smoke on both of them? So let's do the rib A, which is this one going to be now. Flip around. Where's this bloody bone? Right, this is a cut. Flip them back. Let's go back round. Let's cut the rib B. They're both tender, very tender. So there you go. So now we're going to have a look at the rib A first. Yeah, you can clearly see some of the smoke going all the way around. So have a look at the rib B, which is, you can see there's no smoke ring whatsoever. I don't see no smoke. All right, what we're going to do now, we're going to do a taste test. Right, so what I'm going to do now, basically, I'm going to give it to my family, have a little taste test. Not going to tell them which one's which one. Rib A, rib B, Kamado, Ninja. I've got enough ribs for the family to taste. So let's get them down there, give them a little taste, and we're going to tell you the outcome from me in a second. So my family's here now. We're going to do a taste test. So as mentioned earlier, you guys know which rib is which. So rib A, rib B. So we're going to start with the rib A. I've got a little winning cards, or whatever you want to call it. Everyone's going to taste test each one and put their vote. So let's start. That is rib A. Right, so rib A is done. No votes yet. So family, let's grab a rib B. Yeah, that's rib B. You guys seen it where I've cooked them? Right, so everyone's taste tested it. I'm asking family to guess which one is which one. So rib A, is it Ninja or is it Kamado? Rib B, is it Kamado or is it Ninja? So the votes will go in now. Which one they think is which one. So there we go. So we've got a result. 3 votes on A, that is Kamado, and 1 for Ninja on A, and then 1 Kamado and 3 Ninjas on B. So almost correct. So as we said, the rib A was Kamado and rib B was Ninja. So right, resume. This is side by side. So which one's the winner? For me, personally, rib A Kamado is a great smoke flavour. Smoke profile comes out so strong, you can taste it. The Ninja one, it's a very tiny, maybe just a surface flavour of the smoke. It's tender, it come out right. So as you've seen the results. So yeah, for me, Kamado Ninja is okay. Right, guys and girls. So basically, my verdict, my personal verdict would be the smoky flavour. I would go with Kamado. Definitely more richer smoke flavour. The cooking, I was taking exactly the same temperatures and everything, give or take plus 10 degrees there. But anyway, so hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm no way professional on doing all of this, so if you like my comparison, drop a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video pretty soon, I hope. Or let me know in the comments what else you would like me to compare cooking on both of these. So yeah, thanks. See you later.